Hi everyone. So the band of my watch went bad and I went to Amazon and I got this nice silicone with stitching band and I want to replace my band. Of course, the first thing that I did is that I measured the band width. So it is 24 millimeters and I got this one with 24 millimeters. This one has quick release installation and I'm going to show you how to install it. It comes in many sizes. So you see here I have two tools. This is a specialized tool. In case you have it, it's better to remove the old band. And this is just a precision screwdriver that most households, I think, have it. So I'm gonna remove one of the bands with this one, so to show you how to remove it with something that you might have at home. And the other one, I'm gonna remove it with a specialized tool. So let's start removing it. So to do this, and because this band, I don't need it anymore, I can simply yank it, but I don't wanna do this. So I'm gonna remove it with this screwdriver. You need to insert it here between the band and the watch, and then you need to push down, and there's a pin, and it is removed very easily like this. So let's remove the other one with the specialized tool. So push it in like this, and then push it down, and here it is removed very easily too. So let's open the silicone band now. It looks really very good. I chose the silicone band because it doesn't wear like the other band. So the other band here, these straps wear down and it is unusable anymore. So here's how you install it. You install the long one on the bottom of the watch. So to install it, first bring it back like this, and then there's a pin here and there's a hole in the watch. Just put the pin in the hole and hold the quick release with your fingernail and push it back, and then align it with the other hole, and here it is installed. So now let's install the other one on the top. So there's a pin. If it's not apparent here, just push it like this so that it will be apparent, and then let's align it in the hole here. So here it is in the hole, and now hold the quick release pin with your fingernail and then align it the other hole, and here it is installed, and it looks really very nice. Let me try it out. And here it is from the bottom, and here it is from the top. If you want to check out this silicone band, I'm going to leave an Amazon affiliate link in the description below. So here's the final result. I want to thank you all for watching. If you liked my video, please share it, subscribe to my channel, and give this video a thumbs up. I'm Eloy from Stuff Around the House. See you in the next video.